What's up guys, welcome back to Smart Money TV. In today's video I'm going to show you how to participate in this fuel airdrop. Okay, so this is a blockchain project which is called fuel network. So they have raised over $81 million for this project, and there's going to be likely a airdrop. So guys, make sure you watch this video to the end and do not skip any process. So I have up to 10 steps here, and all these steps will be available in the description of this video. If you are here for the first time, my name is Miracle. I create content on how you can earn money online as a crypto trader, as an affiliate marketer, and anything that resonates with online income. So guys, without wasting much time, let us get started. Now the first thing you need to do here is to install Fuel Wallet, okay, and create a wallet and save your pass key. That's your secret phrase, a copy phrase. Okay, now you need to copy this website. When you copy this website, it will direct you to this page, and you will click on install Fuel Wallet. So you need to install the Fuel Wallet. So I've already installed it and I've set up my wallet. I've created my account. Okay, you can see it right here that my account is ready. All right, so let's proceed to step 2. So the second step is for you to get Faucet. Okay, enter your wallet address and get Faucet token. So to do that, you can copy this link. You can copy this link and go and load it on your browser, or you come here, you will see it here. So if you click here, it will direct you to this page. Now your wallet address is already here. You will click on I'm not a robot, and you will accept all these captchas. So guys, you will click on give me ether. Okay, so it will load and it will be sent to your wallet. Now the next step here is step 4. So you need to request for Sepolia Faucet. Okay, so you load this website, you paste in your MetaMask address and get it. Okay, so I believe you know how to do this, so go and paste this link and do that. Now the next thing is to bridge. So I've already done this, so I don't need to do it, and I believe you know how to do it. Now the next thing is to copy this one. That is step 5. You copy this link and go and paste it on your browser. So what we want to do, you connect your Fuel Wallet, you connect your MetaMask wallet, and you will bridge from ETH to Sepolia ETH. Okay, so guys, the link will direct you to this page. Okay, now you will need to connect your wallet. You connect your Ethereum wallet, click on connect and click on MetaMask. Okay, so I believe you have already set up your MetaMask. So my MetaMask has been connected successfully. Now you need to connect Fuel Wallet as well. So you click on connect Fuel Wallet, you select it. If you don't have this one installed, you make sure you install it. Okay, if you click on it, it will bring install if you don't have it. But if you have already installed it, you just click on it and connect your wallet. The next thing to do is to bridge. So you enter amount you want to bridge. We have 0.5 ETH. Make sure you type anything below that. You can type 0.1. Okay, and you will click on deposit. So make sure you confirm the transaction on your MetaMask. So guys, the deposit has been successfully initiated. Okay, so that is that step. Now the next thing is go to another step. The next step is register your domain. Okay, so you copy this website, you copy it and go and load it on your MetaMask. You connect your wallet, enter your name, and you confirm transaction and mint. Okay, so the link will direct you to this page. You will connect your wallet. Wallet has been connected. Now you will type your domain name here. You can just type your name or any other thing. So you search for it. So the domain is available. You will click on it. Okay, so you will click on this next button. You will click on next button. Okay, and you click on it. You click on congrats. You click on it. So you can see that it has been successful. Congrats, Dockers of Fuel is forwarding to your wallet. Okay, so guys, let us move to the next stage of this airdrop. So guys, the next step is to copy this link and go and create a NFT. Okay, so you create NFT and you mint the NFT. So copy the website and load it. So the website is currently not going. As you can see it right now, it's not going. So you can try that anytime it's going. At the moment it's not going. Okay, so let us proceed to the step 8. Now you go to this website, copy the link and paste it on your browser. So these are all the features of the fuel airdrop. So you're not to do anything here actually, and just to view what is going on here. Okay, so the next thing is to withdraw the fuel Sepolia. Okay, so copy the link and go back to your browser. So we are to withdraw. You remember the last one we did was deposit. So here we are to withdraw. So you click on withdraw from fuel. We have 0.1 balance. So if you like, you can withdraw the maximum. Okay, so you click on withdraw and you will approve the transaction. So make sure you leave some for gas fee and approve the transaction in your wallet. So guys, you can see that the submission has been successful. Okay, so we need to wait for all these actions to be completed. So but while waiting, you can close this one. So guys, when you are done, the next step is to go to the step 10. Okay, there are some tasks you need to do here. So if you make sure you load the website. The website will direct you to this page. You make sure you connect your wallet. Okay, connect MetaMask wallet. So my MetaMask wallet has been connected successfully. So you click on login to start. You click on login to start. There are some little things you need to do here. So click on login to start. You also log in with your MetaMask account. So you will now create accounts. So you click on guest. You see the guest right here. Click on it. So you need to complete all the available guests here. You need to complete all as a beginner. Okay. So you will log in to your account. Log into your account. You can select MetaMask to sign in. So to request you to register with them, make sure you register with them and complete all the available guests that is there. When you are done with that, you can now proceed to the next stage. So guys, the next thing is to click on this, copy this website, okay, and go and load it on your browser. So guys, the link will direct you to this page. So you click on connect wallets. So once you have connected your MetaMask wallet, you will click on join guide to get row. Okay, so here you will need to connect all your social media accounts. You need to connect all your social media accounts. You connect your Telegram, your Discord, your X, and all these ones. So then you click on check access to join. Okay, so guys, when you are done with that, that is all for now on the Fuel network. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up so that other people will also see it, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell in order for you to see my upcoming videos. So guys, thank you. See you in my next video.